Every single day, WhatsApp processes over 100 billion messages. How does a message leave your phone and reach your friend in under 50 milliseconds? It starts with the connection. Most apps use HTTP, your phone asks the server replies, and the connection closes. WhatsApp does something different. It keeps that connection open, permanently. That is called a persistent WebSocket, and it changes everything. HTTP closes after every message. WebSocket stays open. That single difference is the foundation of WhatsApp speed. To handle millions of these open connections simultaneously, WhatsApp doesn't use Node or Python. They use Erlang, a language built in the 80s for telecom switches. A single Erlang server handles 2 million concurrent connections at the same time. It does this by spinning up one tiny isolated process per user, lightweight, fast, independent. If your friend is offline, the message doesn't get lost. It waits inside in a jabbered queue on the server until they reconnect. The moment their phone comes online, the queue delivers the message over their open socket instantly. Once delivered, it is wiped from the server completely. WhatsApp stores nothing after delivery. Phone, socket, Erlang, queue, socket, phone. That is the full path of every WhatsApp message. Subscribe to Byte Visual for one backend concept explained visually, every week.